now we find here equation of a sphere when center 0, 0, 0 and radius is small r. So we draw here, this is the sphere, and suppose that C be the center of the sphere. Coordinates of the center are given by the point 0, 0, 0, that is the origin, and the radius of this sphere is given by small r. We suppose that here this is the sphere and C be the center of this sphere, and center of the sphere is given by 0, 0, 0, and the radius of this sphere is given by small r. Let us suppose that let p, x, y, z be any point on this sphere. Let p, x, y, z be any point on this sphere. We suppose that this is the sphere here, C is the center of the sphere, and center of this sphere is given by 0, 0, 0, and the radius of the sphere is smaller. We suppose that P be any point on this sphere whose coordinates are x, y, z. From figure we can see that this CP distance is equal to r, and CP is the distance between the 2 points C and P, which are given by 0, 0, 0 and x, y, z. So we find out the distance between 2 points C and P from the distance formula. So this is under root x2 minus x1 whole square. So x2 is x here and x1 is 0 here, plus y2 minus y1, y2 is y here, y1 is 0 here, plus z2 is z here and z1 is 0 here. This is equal to r. So here we find the distance between 2 points C and P. C is given by 0, 0, 0 and P is given by x, y, z. So using here distance formula between 2 points can be written as under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. This is the distance formula when we find distance between 2 points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. So x minus 0, x2 is here x and x1 is 0 here, plus y2 is y here and y1 is 0 here, and z2 is z here and z1 is 0. So x minus 0, this is x square, y minus 0, this is y square, and z minus 0, this is z. So this is z square is equal to r. Now squaring both sides, we get here x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. So this is the equation of the sphere when center 0, 0 and radius is small r. This can be written as x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Thank you.